Introduction for wine and service. First question, what is wine? Wine is an alcoholic drink typically made from fermented grapes juice. Wine is a best drink for a great dining experience and it consumed worldwide. The right choice of wine is like choosing your right partner. Second question, what is wine service? Wine service refers to the process of presenting, opening, and serving a bottle of wine to the guest. Good day, ma'am. Welcome to Happiness Restaurant. Do you have any reservation? This way, please. Have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, may I assist you with your table napkin?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your water. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's our wine menu for your wine selection. Okay, ma'am. Should I stay here or I stay at the counter? That will call my attention.
Okay, stay at the counter. I call you later.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me.
Waiter,
Excuse me, ma'am. May I place your order?
G and bearer.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you your ordered Rear G&B blended Scotch whiskey with vintage year of 1749 from London, 40% alcohol per volume, 700 ml with a very good fragrance of orchard fruit and citrus. Would you like to open for you, ma'am? Would you like to try now? The cheese. Excuse me, ma'am. Enjoy your drink, ma'am, and have a nice day. Excuse me.